Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my amazing subscribers. I'm so excited to share with you today a fantastic hairstyle that's not just easy to make, but it also promotes hair growth and is also protective. So today we'll be creating African threading hairstyle, which is perfect for kids. My daughter's school allows a certain kind of hairstyle, so since school is still in session, we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle using the African rubber thread. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Please turn on your notification bell to be beeped on when I drop the next video. Thank you so much. So let's get started. First, we'll be applying the hair cream, then proceed to section the hair into two patterns. Then we'll thread the hair by parting it into smaller segments. This hairstyle is not only super easy to make, but it's also long lasting and it promotes hair growth. Plus, it's a great way to keep your child's hair protected. I'd love to know if you try this hairstyle on your kids. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing hair tips and tricks. Please watch this video to the end. Thank you so much. Remember that the hair was parted into two segments, so at this point I was almost done with the first half. After finishing with the first half, I proceeded to finish up the second half, then packed it up, and voila, we are done. Trust me when I said this hairstyle is super easy to make. Anyone can make this hairstyle. It is cost effective, it is super easy to make, long lasting, protective. What else are you looking for? Hey mothers, get in here. Will you be trying this hairstyle on your kids? Thank you all so much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe out there, make the right choices. See you in my next one.